Yo, what's up, guys? Should you buy a Bored Ape NFT? Holy crap, this project has completely blown me away and has done things I never thought possible in the NFT industry. So I'm going to be going through some stuff that they have done and giving my opinion on what I think the future of Bored Apes is. I will give you a big disclaimer. I have zero Bored Apes. I am not part of the community. This is just a complete outsider view, so take it as you will. Maybe my points are valid, maybe they're not, but this is just some, not so much feedback, but just an opinion and what I think of the Bored Ape community. Now, first of all, I am completely amazed at what they've done so far. They've gone from non-existent, no one really knowing them existed, to probably one of the strongest brands in the NFT world. Look at this, May 2nd, they launched, or April 30th or something like that, and they were selling for 0.16 ETH in the early days. Still under 1 Ethereum for a long time, and somewhere here they just boomed. You can see there was waves of interest that was quite telling of the future of Bored Apes. Who knows how the hell this next wave is going to go, but yeah, it's just crazy. They've continued to do well, so they've even got fans such as Stephen Curry that has bought a Bored Ape and put it as his profile pic. They've even gone on to be sold on Sotheby's. 101 Bored Apes sold for 24 million US dollars. Holy crap. And on top of all that, they have sold their mutant apes for 96 million US dollars they raised, selling their mutant apes, not to mention the secondary market volume and the fees that they would have generated from that. So probably the most successful NFT project, or one of the most successful NFT projects in the space around the 10,000 avatar generation model. But yeah, huge, right? You could kind of say that they set off the 10K avatar project industry. Now we know that CryptoPunks has been around for a while, but these guys really sort of emulated that and hit that niche quite well to get some of the biggest names to have Bored Apes. All right, so quite interesting to see what happened. Now, what does this mean in the future of NFT of Bored Apes? Is it too expensive? Should you buy it now? I think, and one of the reasons I think this is because of this, right? They raised $96 million in their Mutant Ape sale. And that's a ton of money, obviously. When a company is so well funded that they've got $100 million to do whatever the hell they want, I can absolutely imagine Bored Ape games. You can absolutely imagine Bored Ape comics, Bored Ape, God, art, or all sorts of things that expand on what these Bored Apes can do in the virtual world, or even in the gaming world, or in the digital space as a whole. So based on that, I think it's a pretty damn good project or NFT to have. Should you buy a Bored Ape? I think you should have one. Should you buy one? I would love to buy one when the price comes down, considering that like 40 Ethereum floor is crazy. 40 times, that's like 120,000 US dollars. So maybe I'll wait for a little bit of a dip, but I have no doubt that I think they're going to go on to do big things, especially when the team has proven to continuously deliver value. Now, Bored Ape Kennel Club, they sold dogs as Bored Ape dogs, right? And you can see the cheapest one is 3 Ethereum. I think you got these airdrop for free as a Bored Ape holder. So complete free 3 Ethereum, or even more than that when you got them airdrop to you. And then on top of that, if that wasn't enough, they sold Mutant Ape Yacht Clubs and allowed those that had Bored Apes to mint this for free. And then boom, these are also worth like 4 to 5 Ethereum. Some of them going for 20, 30, 40, 50. I think some of them even went for $1 million plus, right? So they know how to deliver value. They know how to grow a great brand. They know how to hit that niche on the head. They also know they've also now stocked up with 96 million US dollars. I don't see why that wouldn't be. I don't see why, considered all of these would not be a good NFT to have if you can afford it in the long term. Because I just feel like this sort of projects can, especially with the stock, when they're stocked up with 100 mil, they can continuously deliver all sorts of value. I'm sure they're getting a ton of brand partnerships coming in and asking them to be on board with stuff. So yeah, that is my conclusion. I think Bored Ape is a great NFT if you can afford it to have in your arsenal. Now, Now, I don't know when the time is right to buy a Bored Ape. You can see they're quite expensive. Should you wait a little bit till they dip? Should you buy them right now and FOMO in? I don't know. All I know is that they probably deliver pretty damn good value long term. So let's just see what happens. That's just my 2 cents, and I hope you guys enjoyed the YouTube video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn that notification bell on. Talk to you again in the next video. Take care.